Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
So guys, as you can see right here we have the SouthSide Barber Supply Airbrush. So the price, I just checked literally 20 minutes ago. I checked on the website, it's $147. What's good YouTube family, it's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we're back with another video. So guys, today is Monday. Usually I have Mondays off, but today is a public holiday. So I'm sure the gym's gonna be full. So what I'm gonna do this morning is I'm gonna go to a park. I see there is a calisthenic park nearby. I actually never knew about it. A few of the homies have been going there, so I seen them post a few videos up on social media. So I hit one of the chains up to ask where it was. So right now I'm gonna go and check it out. I'm gonna hit a young calisthenic workout for the morning, and then later on today, so the actual purpose of this video, I'm sure you see by the title, I'm gonna be going to the shop to go and record the airbrush review. I've been putting this review off for weeks and weeks, so I just have a few errands to run today. The gym, can't be missing the gym. I really just wanna, it's really important, well I feel it's really important to just take some time out of your day, focus on your physical health. It's also good for the mental as well. But nonetheless guys, like I said, I'm gonna go eat that calisthenic park. I'm gonna eat a young workout, and then I'm gonna get started with my day. I need to come back home, clean up my place, get you guys there. Yeah man, got here, arrived safely. I'm actually walking up to the park right now. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. Let's get it.
Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Like halfway through my session. Yo, I don't think I chose the best time to come here.
sun is at its peak. No, well, not at its peak, but no, it's super hot now. And it's only like 11. Should have came earlier, but yeah, like I said, halfway through our session. Let's get it. Now, just finished the session. As you can see, gloves are white. Dehydration is kicking in, but we're done with the session. Now we're gonna vibe cozy and chill. What's good, guys? I'm back. I'm at the shop, as you can see. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna jump straight into this review. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that there is a drop, and definitely leave a like. Okay guys, so for today's tutorial, it's not gonna be guys, so for today's review, the review is not gonna be very long. There's really nothing bad about this airbrush. In all honesty, I think there's really just one thing I really don't like about it. But nonetheless, let's get straight into this review. So guys, as you can see right here we have the SouthSide BarberShop airbrush. As you can see right here, focus. So there we have the airbrush, and I won't lie, all around, like, it's a good build. There's a good weight to it. You can see it has a really dope design to it. Dope gold finish over here. As you can see, there's their logo. Then the airbrush on the top. This is the compressor. This is the compressor that creates the air pressure that pushes out the liquid. So you just pour the liquid into. Pour this cap off right here. And you pour the liquid in there, and then you're good to go. And then, as you can see right here, take this off. So you need to take this part off when you get to clean, when you do clean the airbrush, and then you loosen this screw, you can call it, or this bolt right here, and then you can take that off. Then you can pull the needle out, and then I'll put the picture up on the screen of the alcohol that you need, the alcohol that you need to use when cleaning this airbrush, because you need to clean it after every use, like literally. So guys, nonetheless, so this is the airbrush right here. Let's jump straight into the pros and cons. If you want to see more of the design, see more of how the airbrush works, go ahead and check out the unboxing of the airbrush. I know that I took really long to record this review. I was supposed to record it quite a while back, but I bought something not too long ago and I used it for a few days. It was perfect. I did a review on it, and it was obviously all good, you see, because like I just used it for a few days, and in that few days it was like performing at its peak, and then maybe 2-3 weeks later it started acting up. So I really wanted to take my time and then record this review once I felt like I was ready to record it. But nonetheless guys, let's jump straight into the pros and cons of this airbrush. First off, let's start with the bad, or the cons. There's literally just one thing, two things I really don't like about this airbrush. The first thing is that to clean this airbrush, it's a bit of a mission and it's time consuming. So for me, to clean the airbrush after each client, it takes quite a bit of time, because you like need to throw the alcohol through there, like spray all of it out, make sure that the needle is clear, like make sure it's not clogged up, and it clogs up really easily as well. So like, that's one thing I really don't like about it. More of a better balance, then I definitely appreciate it much more. And And then yeah, that's about the only two things that I dislike about the airbrush. Let's go ahead, let's check out the pros on the airbrush. So obviously guys, it takes your haircut to the next level. If your client has a very thin hairline or they do have a bit of balding in that specific area, like the airbrush just comes through clutch. It's amazing. But like once I finally got this airbrush and I started playing around with it for myself, I definitely recommend this to all barbers. The battery life lasts really long. If I charge it for a few hours, it will last me a couple of days. The battery life on it is quality. The aesthetic of it is really cool. It looks really dope. It comes with this card right here. It used to have the business's logo on it, but I used it to a point whereby the card is entirely covered up. Like I said, check out the unboxing video, then you'll see how everything comes like crispy clean straight out of the box. And then another pro is if you're gonna buy the full starter kit, you do get this card right here. So this card is for when you are spraying, lining your client up so that you don't smudge, and you obviously get your dye that goes inside of your airbrush. And this dye is quality because it lasts for at least 2 to 3 days. So that's one thing that the clients also gave me a heads up about. They enjoy this enhancements because it's not like other enhancements. As soon as you get home, you rinse your hair, it comes out. With this, it lasts for at least 2 to 3 days. Another pro is it's really simple, really easy to use. Just like I said, the cleaning is the only down about it, but super easy, super simple to use. Get into the price. So the price I just checked literally 20 minutes ago. I checked on the website, it's $147. So I'm not sure if the dollar is still 15 rand to $1, but if it is still 15 rand to $1, I converted it and it works out to 2,205 rand. So just depending on the rand to the dollar, the price could differ, but I checked it out on the website. I will put the link in the description. Like I said, the price is 2,205 rand. That's worth delivery. Is it? Ooh, okay, I'm gonna double check if that's worth delivery. But if not, I'm 100% sure it won't be more than 2,500. And the nice thing is, if you're gonna go for the kit, like I said, it comes with the dye. The dye has been lasting me about a month and a half now. And it comes with the card as well. And the nice thing is, like, you don't need to use much of it, so you'll just put in a few drops and then you can definitely get like at least 1 to 2 clients done with that amount. You don't necessarily need to fill the entire gap up. Oh yeah guys, so like you saw today, I was doing a mini vlog type situation vibe. But I really got caught up during the day, so that's why I just showed you guys my workout this morning. When I got home, just washed my car. I'll show you how my car is shining. It's looking nice and clean. So yeah, got my car washed, cleaned the house up. I'm gonna go and visit my aunt now. I'm gonna go and chill there, edit the video. So I might be posting this video up tonight. If not tonight, I'll definitely be posting it up in the morning. And guys, like I said, today's video was gonna be really short, sweet. If you are new to the channel, you already know. Please go ahead and show the boy some support. Like I said, this year we want to reach the goal of getting monetized. So that's 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. I really appreciate everyone that watches each and every one of my videos. I appreciate each and every subscriber. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.